Alright, so now we're zoomed into the right hand. What you're going to do is start off by playing this. So that roll is, well, the first couple of notes are F, A sharp, C, C sharp, D sharp, and an F. And when you play that F, you're actually going to play this broken chord after that. Starting from F, it's F, A sharp, C sharp, then the F. So after you play this, you're going to play each note of that chord again, or of that broken chord again. You're going to add an F at the end of that. You're going to play that twice, then play the broken chord again, which were the same notes you played earlier. So it's after that, you're going to play F, F sharp, G sharp, these notes here again, which are the F, A sharp, C sharp, and the F. You're going to play that as a broken chord. So starting from here, you're playing this. The next broken chord you're playing starts on D sharp. So it's D sharp, F sharp, A sharp, and the C sharp. Next broken chord is an F, G sharp, C, and a D sharp. So after you play that, you want to jump up a couple notes and play this here. 3 notes, broken chord, G, G sharp, and the C. After that, you're going to jump down several notes and play this here. So you're starting off playing F, A sharp, C, then a C sharp. Then you're going to play that F again, the A sharp again, the C again, or the C sharp again. So it's then you're going to jump down and play the F, the C sharp again, then you'll play this here, which is an A sharp and a C played one after each other, but very fast. So once again, all that played slow is after that, you're going to play a F, F sharp, G sharp. Now these chords are the same chords you learned earlier, except they were played an octave higher. You're going to start by playing that one, this one here. Then this third one is different. All I'm doing is, instead of playing this here with the D sharp up here, I'm actually playing the D sharp an octave lower. So it's D sharp, F, G sharp, and C. Now after you end with that, you're going to play this here. So once again, this is a broken chord. It starts off A, C sharp, D sharp, and a G sharp. Then you're going to play an F sharp. The next thing that happens is that the right hand is going to jump down, and the left hand is going to play something, but then the right hand is going to jump in and play this. What I'm doing is I'm playing an A sharp, F, and a C sharp, one note at a time from high to low. So after I do that a couple times, I'm going to play an F, F sharp, G sharp. Now these are the same chords you learned earlier. The next thing you're going to do is jump up a couple notes and do this here. So what I did was I'm playing an F and an A sharp together. I'm playing it one note at a time. That's one. So it's, then I'm going to play a C sharp in the F, or actually a C natural in the F. So I'm going to do that only once. Then I'm going to play the C sharp with the F. Then I'm going to play a C sharp twice. Then a D sharp. Then I'm going to play a C and the F. D sharp in the F. Then I'm going to play an F, F sharp, G sharp. Then these three chords you learned earlier. And remember, the D sharp is played down here. Now we're zoomed into the left hand. Your left hand is going to start off playing a broken chord. A sharp, F, and an A sharp again. Then it's going to play this here, which is an F sharp major chord, which is F sharp, A sharp, C sharp. Then you're going to play a D sharp minor, D sharp, F sharp, A sharp, then an F minor, F, A sharp, C. So it's, now remember that chord progression because you're going to do that again later on during the song. The second time the right hand is going to jump down, but now your left hand is going to be positioned in the same place. It's going to play the same three notes. Then it's going to add an A sharp after that. Then you're going to play those same three chords you learned up here, down here. It's going to be finally the left hand is going to jump down an octave and play the same broken chord to start it up. That's A sharp, F, A sharp. And this is where the right hand is doing that three broken note ambiance. Then you're going to play a sharp, A natural, then a G sharp. Finally, the left hand is going to jump down and play F sharp, D sharp, and an F. Next thing the left hand is going to do is jump up, play an A sharp, F, then a C sharp. Then it's gonna play an A sharp, or actually a G sharp. This middle key right here is a G sharp, not an A sharp. So it's and finally it's gonna end playing these three chords here, which are the same chords you learned earlier. Now putting both hands together. So I'm playing that broken chord. Once I hit the F in the right hand, in the pinky, that's when I start at the A sharp in the left. So once I hit that C sharp in the right, that's when I start with the A sharp in the left. And I had to move my right hand out of the way so I can play this here. So it's So once I play this A sharp up here, that's when I start playing the A sharp. That's when I start playing the these notes in the right hand, starting at the A sharp. And you can do that for however long you want. So it's then you want to kind of decrescendo at the end. Now this part right here doesn't have to be played exactly how I play it, but as long as you can create that ambiance by playing these same notes, you should be good. So I'm kind of playing these three notes here with the right hand. They don't have to be in sync, but as long as I play the notes in the right hand are probably most important. So